If your old iLok broke like mine did and you need to migrate your licenses, or your licenses ended up on the iLok cloud and you don't want to have to be on Wi-Fi to use them, this is how you can move your licenses really easily. And if I solve your problem, please hook it up with a subscribe. I think you'll like my vocal production and plugin videos. And mind you, this is only for your plugin licenses or your Pro Tools license that is stored on iLok. A lot of other companies don't use iLok, so let me show you this and I'll talk about that in a second. You're gonna need to open iLok License Manager. If you don't have that app on your computer, go to iLok's website and you can download it. Once you're all signed in, you'll see your iLok cloud, you'll see your computer if you have any activations on your computer itself, and you'll see any iLoks you have plugged in. Register your new iLok, and then all you really have to do is literally drag your license codes from one thing to the other. So I just dragged it from my old iLok to my new iLok, and even better, I dragged all of my licenses off that iLok cloud onto my new iLok as well, so that I can use that when I'm not in Wi-Fi. That is literally it. It is so easy to do. All right, if you don't see the plugin you're looking for, it might not be an iLok plugin. That company might have their own software like Wave Central, Native Access, Cradle Hub. So you have to look up your plugin manufacturer for any issues with that. They're usually pretty easy, like a login type activation, but some of these companies only allow 1 to 3 devices to have an activation on it. So if you're on like your 3rd or 4th computer since you bought that plugin, it will think you're trying to steal the plugin or give it to a friend for free, and it won't allow another activation. But of course, getting a new computer is a totally legit reason for needing to move your licenses, and this is going to be different company to company. What I've done in the past is I'll send an email to the company's support and say, hey, I got a new computer and it's not letting me activate the plugin. What should I do? Provide them with your old license code if you have it. Search your email, you might still have it. Make sure you give them your name, the email you bought it with, any information that could help them verify that you did in fact buy a license. Most likely what they'll do is deactivate your old license code and issue a new one. I hope this helped. Remember to hit subscribe, and if you love plugins like I do, check out this playlist where I run vocals through all these special effects. I'll see you over there.